Have you ever wondered how to capture leads from unknown video viewers? It's time to use lead generation forms in your videos. What are lead generation forms? A lead generation form is a web form that appears over your video that the viewer needs to submit in order to watch the video. The web form seamlessly integrates with your video platform and Eloqua, allowing you to capture leads from visitors who haven't provided their information before. This means you can turn anonymous video viewers into potential leads, giving you valuable opportunities to connect with interested prospects. Industry average conversion rates of using lead generation forms depends on when you show the web form to the viewer. There are 3 different placements that most people use: pre-roll, mid-roll, or post-roll. Let's discuss those. The pre-roll, or at the start of the video, converts around 16% on average. The mid-roll, or at the middle of the video, converts at 24%. And the post-roll, the end of the video, converts at around 5%. By embedding lead generation forms directly in your video, you can gather the unknown viewer's email address. Consider integrating lead generation forms into your videos. This will increase the number of leads generated from your anonymous video viewers. Follow us on how to get more value from your enterprise marketing tech stack and click the link in our bio to get more details on using Eloqua video landing pages.